How do you make a classic space shooter game in Scratch? Today, let's make a space shooter game together. It's one of the most classic arcade-style games. It is actually very easy to make. We'll make this game in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Create the player's spacecraft. Step 2. Add shooting bullets. Step 3. Make the enemy planes. Step 4. Create the score system. First, let's upload a space backdrop. I'll upload 2 screens here. One is a black space image for the main game, and the other one is the game over screen, which we'll use later on. Now, remove the scratch cat and add a new sprite for the spaceship. When the green flag is clicked, select the initial background and set the spaceship size to 60. Inside a forever loop, use an if block. If the up arrow key is pressed, change Y by 10. If the down arrow key is pressed, change Y by -10. If the left key is pressed, change X by -10. If the right key is pressed, change X by 10. Now let's test it. Let's make the spacecraft shoot. Let's create a new sprite for the bullet. In the bullet sprite, when the green flag is clicked, hide it first and set size to 50. Use a forever loop. When space key pressed, create clone of myself. Wait for 0.3 seconds between each bullet. When a clone is created, we want the bullet to appear from the spacecraft's position. So set it to go to plane, show it, and repeat moving it up the screen using change Y by 10 until it reaches the top. If the bullet touches the edge, delete the clone. Now try it. Your spacecraft can shoot bullets. Now, let's add the enemies. Create a new sprite for the enemy plane. When the green flag is clicked, hide it first and set the size to 50. Then use a forever loop to keep creating enemies. Create clone of myself, then wait 0.3 seconds. When the clone starts, show it and make it go to a random X position at the top of the screen, set Y to 500. Then in forever loop, change Y by -3 so it flies down. When it touches the bottom edge, delete the clone. Now we have enemy planes flying down the screen. Now, let's make the game score when you shoot an enemy. Create a variable called score. Set score to 0 at the start of the game. If the enemy plane touches the bullet, change score by 1. Don't forget to delete the clone. Now let's make the game end. When the enemy hits the spacecraft, go to the enemy sprite, use an if block. If the enemy touches the spacecraft, then switch backdrop to the game over screen and stop all to end the game. And that's it. You've just created your own space shooter game in Scratch. Have fun playing and challenge your friends to beat your score.